Hey, what's up YouTube? So my friend was having problems with this Dalrc board. He ripped off those pads, and he gave it to me so I could figure it out and see which of these pads goes to which of these pads. So I was doing continuity tests between the pads that are not ripped and the pads up here, and I created the little chart for it, just in case if anybody needs to know like what are the pinouts here, since they might have ripped out the pad, the connector here, whatever. It's late, man. And so here's the pinout. You see you have positive here, you have negative here, and so you start signal 4, signal 3, signal 2, signal 1, 5 volt, like it's there. Then the bottom is current, ground, VBAT, and 5 volt. It's correct, and I'll just show you real quick that those two grounds are ground, so you could see that it's correct. So the way I did this real quick is I put this LED right there. Let's see if I can get this on a stand. I have my multimeter on continuity, so you can see it's beeping. So let's go ahead and touch these two. Alright, so they're both apparently the same thing. Now I'm going to go to the negative here, and I'm going to go ahead, let me see if I can get this to focus somewhat. Alright, so you hear I'm touching the ground pads and there's continuity. Alright, so that's so now you know that those two grounds are ground. Alright, now we're going to do the S4. I'm just going to put that there. Let me remove that like that. So let's see if we can focus. No, we can't focus. Alright, so I'm just going to touch S4. Alright, so I'm touching S4 and it's beeping. You know S4 is correct. Now we're going to go to S2, S3. S3. You hear it's beeping. That's fine. And just by knowing that, S4 was here, S3 is here, so S2 is most likely going to be here, which it is. S2. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do this without looking. Alright, so S1 is on that pin. Then we have 5 volts, which we'll check right now. That's 5 volts over here. Alright, so far everything's been correct according to what I've shown you. I'm not going to bother doing that 5 volt or this VBAT. Well, I probably did VBAT already, I'm not sure. But you can see that this diagram is correct. You have the positive on this side, positive on this side, and negative on this. I know he has really bad soldering skills, and I'm going to teach him how to fix that. Alright, so for anybody who needs this pinout, as we tried looking online and we couldn't find this pinout anywhere, because this pinout is made to go with another board that Dalrc makes. So there you have it. And if you want to use these, I guess, I don't know, find some adapter or something that you could stick in there and then solder a wire to. I wouldn't recommend using these because if you cut these, they have like let's see, in between this end and the beginning there was like 0.2 ohms, and you don't want any resistance, as that will change the voltage that's getting sent into here. So you want the normal wire to do that. So I'm gonna do something about that and give him the pinouts and, you know, connect something there so he can have wires already and just use it on his board. But for anybody looking for this pinout diagram, well, here you have it. You know, continuity test gives you everything. So what happened with him is that he broke his first S1 and then the current one, but he doesn't really use the current one. But the current one's not fully broken. If you can see that you have some silver stuff there, so that's how I got the continuity for the current. But for S1 I didn't really get continuity, but it's obviously, if you know all of these were what they gave me in continuity, then the only one that could be S1 is that one, and it goes along with, you know, S4, S3, S2, S1. Alright, so sorry that this video was a bit long, but if you're looking for this diagram, there you have it.